Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, Christmas is coming soon, so I was thinking maybe some of you would like to do as a gift a table runner for someone, and I think this stitch is quite nice, for example with a thinner yarn. This stitch is known as Crystal Wave. Many of you know this. The stitch is reversible. It's quite nice, but I was thinking for a placemat, for a table runner, I think this is quite nice. And you start with a single crochet in each chain, and you finish with a single crochet in each stitch. The stitch originally it starts working directly into the chain, but at the bottom, working on the chain directly, you're gonna have some openings here, some holes. But I like to put one row of single crochet. So if some of you want me to show you how to do that, I will do it. But it's very easy. It goes really fast, this stitch. So if you like, you can give a try to this stitch for a table runner, for a placemat, even a scarf. But for a scarf, use a thinner yarn, and because the stitch is gonna be a little bit thicker. So for a scarf, if you choose to make a wide and long one, it's gonna be quite heavy. Yeah, also for the blankets too. So if some of you're interested, just an idea, if you think someone might like a table runner or a placemat set with this stitch, because it stays quite flat. It's doesn't have puffs or other things like a popcorn stitch. So if some of you're interested, give it a try. You might enjoy this. I like more this stitch the way it looks now with a thin yarn, and this I used for this sample. I used 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can go with 3.0 millimeter crochet hook, or you can go 1.5, for example. Yeah, it's quite easy and nice, this stitch. It's one row repeat, goes really fast. So if you like a scarf, an infinity scarf, well, with the infinity scarf you're gonna have to do long and then put it together and you sew it. If you are to do you cast the chain and you join the chain into a circle, you're gonna have to keep turning the other way the work to work this stitch the way it is. Yeah, it's quite interesting. I tried. It's fun. But no, thank you, not in circle. I prefer flat, back and forth. So if some of you will like this stitch for some project, give it a try with a thin yarn instead of 4.0, 4.5. Yeah. Well, I hope you will be creative and you find something to do with this stitch. Thank you for watching.